Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, on this day my husband was coming back. I decided to make him his favorite food. Yes, so my husband is a lover of okra, and that's why you see that I have a lot of okra recipes in my channel. So he doesn't like so much oil, so I made this light okra soup, like fast soup for him, because I know that's the type of soup he likes. He likes something very light, nice, not too much drama, just okra that is always very simple. So I decided to make him this fish okra soup. I added shrimp and I added crab. I added fish, croaker fish, and a lot of orishi. You can see the soup is looking nice, and this soup tasted amazing. So the next thing I did was just to tidy the house and put some flowers just to welcome this odogu into the house, because why wouldn't I do that? He's my husband after all, and I had to make the house very cozy for him, so that when he comes home he would love every bit. See my rose flower now. Oh, just try it. My husband is back! Baby! Oh, baby. I missed you.
I miss you, Mom. I'm telling you. I miss you, Mom. I'm telling you.
You see this hug, it lasted for hours, because this hug was well deserved. So you see the dude marching in. He was so excited. So it was my turn, and Odogu decided to treat me to a warm bath. So Odogu made a bath for me and added some things he bought from Morocco, some ointment just to make that skin melanin popping. And also, since I was down with cold, he also gave me an ointment which he bought from Morocco. Like, guys, when I inhaled this thing, oh Jesus Christ, I saw God, but I refused to go with him. It was so painful, but it did the magic. And hubby decided to treat me to breakfast the next day. Baby, this your breakfast looks so nice.
And what's the name? What's the name that I said again?
I can't remember the name. Wow. Home lettuce.
Lasisla bag.
As if that was not enough, hubby decided to start bringing out all the gifts he bought for me. Did you see this jacket, guys? Did you see this jacket? Winter, I am ready for you. This jacket is so nice. It's so comfortable and it's so soft inside, like everything. And this gift was the bombshell, guys. So my husband actually ordered for this gift and expected it to arrive on the day he was going to come, and which it did. So I'm unboxing it. I am going to let you see what the gift is all about, what is inside this gift. Like, guys, this gift blew my mind. This, like, when you say this is a girl's best friend. Oh, baby, this is a girl's best friend. Just look at the packaging.
Wow.
Look at the packaging.
Wow. Wow. You are simply the best.
Yes, guys, this is the gift. Gucci Intense. Is it Gucci or Gucci? Gucci Intense. Like that perfume, you know. This is not fake. This is the original. The original. The price tag, woo, blew my mind. This, like, what am I even saying?
That's original.
Gucci Intense, like the original. Just the smell alone. Oh God, the smell is heavenly.
I'm not a bush woman.
This is my wife.
Baby.
Oh,
That's what the owners Stellantis were talking about yesterday, and they have been putting a figure at these targets. Now, there are two sets of targets.
oh, baby,
Is government committed to
smells so nice.
that would be the point at which
Baby, come and take your kiss
diesel,
now.
petrol, new cars would burn.
Thank you, baby. Oh, baby, this is so good. And here are the rest things hubby got for me. He got me a Dion bag. Yes. This my husband knows how to spoil me at times, so at times. So you see, he got me a Dion bag. This is a good bag for work and school. He also got me a trouser that goes with the winter jacket. With the jacket he got me a trouser to go with it. This man just spoils me at times. Marry good husband, no. Marry good husband, no. So it was lunchtime and hubby is treating me to lunch.
Lioness.
My maiden, yeah.
Oh, well.
And I think I follow it. Yeah, I follow it because most times what I prepare for you in the afternoon, you go to work is what give him up soup every day.
Uncle man.
There's nothing in this.
Yeah. And then I start frying time. Tiny bit of oil on the front pan. So while this is the what's this? While this is cooking, the frying pan is ready. Now I fry my bacon. How many months pregnant?
He's a man who is well fed.
Oh,
He's well fed.
is it not evidence of bad living?
No evidence of good living. For what?
Evidence of good living.
It means
So-
I'm giving him enough good food.
Now tell me about it. He loves his good food anyway. So now, I'll fry my bacon. You can see the aroma is mwah. Mushrooms. At the same time, this thing, get it to me how much it is.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. If you've watched up to this moment, please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. And today's shout out is going to Choma Onwuchekwa and Gift Isaac. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I love you guys. You are the best. And with you watching my videos, I know my contents are being appreciated. And thank you so much for your love and immense support. but I do not take it for granted. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye. I will be wondering, this woman at this bed.
Is that the room that they live in?